high expectations for that ride, and they blew them away, so that was awesome. Yeah, we got stuck on it a couple times, but I guess there are worse places to break down and get stuck. So everybody else good on it? Yeah?
Yep.
Feeling like it was awesome?
That was fun.
Thumbs up? 2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Okay.
Restroom.
Yeah, we'll head
Well,
over
is the
here.
Millennium Falcon this way?
Yeah, I think everything's back this way.
Right. There's a relaxation station.
Uh-huh.
I don't think we can go.
Oh. Okay. Well, I think we can walk. Oh, okay, that's fine. We'll go around the other way.
Right, you're gonna go straight down the path.
It's so weird being in a brand new park after knowing Disneyland. I mean, you could probably walk it with my eyes closed. And I haven't got a clue where we're going here. Of course, my wife has been watching videos left and right of all you other vloggers out there. So thank you for that, giving us an idea of what to do and where to go.
I actually don't know where the bathroom is, so.
I think we'll find it.
Oh, he said the market.
I got freaking out. I don't know why.
Oh, wait. The bathroom is right before.
Yeah, that's fine. And yes, this is like the third bathroom break that you've kind of followed us on, so I'll spare you the extra details for the next few minutes. Yes, we're going back through here again. I just can't get enough of this, actually. To be honest with you, it's really so immersive.
Mind telling us what you're doing with that data That does nothing for me.
Excuse me. It's kind of just cool to take it all in.
Now the sun's not shining on the
Yeah, I think so. Hi there.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It says it's a 40-minute wait, so we'll see. Oh yeah, so cool.
Wait, this is like Star Wars, but I thought
I think it's a little different than that. It's like supposed to be interactive. Right, in Magic Kingdom, yeah. I guess we'll find out how I do.
you took your medicine, right?
Yeah, go ahead, baby. This is really cool.
It's not like
I take it back. I want that in my yard.
Okay,
See what? He said it's still 7:40.
Well, let's hurry up and get the blue milk and then we can get them over there.
Alright, we just got off the Millennium Falcon ride, and let's see if you're someone that's prone to motion sickness, like really bad. I'm not so sure that was going to be up your alley. If you're just slightly, I think you'll be alright. Alright, so we are making our way to possibly try some blue milk before we head over to another part of the park. My eyes.
Okay, babe. Oh,
I'm not even sure I care about the whole blue milk thing, but I think you just kind of have to try it, right?
Yeah? Okay.
oh, you have to place some straw in it.
Yeah, we'll do that. So we got the infamous blue milk. You have no idea what it's going to taste like or what's even in it. So everybody's tasting it, right? Yes, yes. Okay, good, good. Okay. Well, let's try it here. You want to do that? Go ahead.
Hold on, let me put my phone away.
I don't even know what's in it.
Who's trying it first?
Dad'll try
Oh.
it first. It's his birthday, so
Take a sip like this.
yeah, let me know how it is. Yep. Oh, I guess you can take these off before drinking. Well,
It's good. Very good, actually.
What does it taste like?
It's like a fruity something. Definitely doesn't taste like milk.
I don't like the
I
paper.
actually like it. It's pretty good. Okay. I think we're a fan of the blue milk. So, everybody like it? Cool. You don't like it?
you know why I don't really care for it that much is because it's got tropical flavors in it, and I'm not a fan of it.
Oh, I actually like tropical flavors. So.
It tastes like pineapple, though. There's pineapple in it.
Oh, I like it. Yeah, that's true. Which way are we going?
All right, let's go to Tower of Terror then.
I think she's saying.
It's on both sides.
Yeah, there is exits on both sides. I don't think we actually went out over here before. You may be right. Or you're probably right. I don't know. Whoops. She is probably spot on, and everybody that's going to be watching this is going to be saying you should have listened to her. So yes, that's fine. We'll let you lead the way. Well, at least we're getting to know Star Wars land pretty well. Considering I think we've gone in circles about 12 times, so.
Enjoy the day.
power here, and then what? Yeah, we'll figure it out. It's fine.
For health and safety of everyone, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn